All right, so in this foam rolling session, we're going to target the IT band, but not directly, but actually the muscles that interface into the IT band. The IT band is some dense connective tissue. It's not going to really change length, but it acts as somewhat of an I-beam for all these muscles to kind of attach onto. So we're going to start off with that glute med, just kind of top of the hip here. So when you are rolling out, just make sure that you're not putting too much pressure on that bony protuberance there, the top of the femur. So you're just going to kind of work it through at the same time, breathing, because you want to kind of be nice and relaxed so you get the full benefits of the roll here. And once we feel like that's been kind of worked through, you can get into the TFL. So that's almost like that outside hip flexor muscle, just kind of works itself into that IT band. Give yourself a little bit more tension by kind of flexing the knee, working it through. And now we can kind of work down into that outside quad muscle. And at the same time, giving yourself a little bit more by flexing that knee. And we'll finish up with the outside hamstring there. And when you're rolling and getting closer to the knee, make sure to avoid that joint because you don't want to put too much pressure on it with the roller there.